Good morning, children. Welcome back for EVS once again. Children, today we will be starting with a new chapter that is weather and seasons. Okay, so let us learn about our different weather that prevails or that actually affect us in many different ways. And seasons, you all know there are different seasons. Which season is now going to approach? Which season is going on? Is spring season, if you know that. Okay, and which season will be approaching now very soon will be summer season, right? So this is what seasons are, and again they affect us in many different ways. So let us learn about weather and season and know about these seasons and weather. Now the first thing that we should know before knowing weather and season. Now we have already done this earth about earth atmosphere. I think so I've already told you in previous one video. So let us first see what the atmosphere is actually. We have learned that there is a blanket of air around the earth. This is called atmosphere. So you all can see this there is a layer of atmosphere around our earth, because of which we are protected. How we are protected? From the harmful sun rays, right? And there are many different things which, because of which we can uh, uh, we are protected because of this atmosphere. This atmosphere protects us from many things, right? Not only this but other things also, and this atmosphere contains a layer of ozone which is very important for us. This ozone layer is the only savior for us. Why? Because this is the layer which actually guards us from all the harmful rays which are coming from the sun, and it absorbs those harmful rays and it does not allow those harmful rays to reach our earth. If these and nowadays it is said that this layer is becoming thinner and thinner day by day. Why? Just because the amount of pollution we are creating, because of that the ozone layer is becoming thinner and thinner, and it is destroying this ozone layer. These harmful pollution, or these harmful gases which is evolved from the vehicles or from the factories or by our different things that we do, activities that we do. Because of that, these layer is being destroyed or damaged day by day. And it is said by the scientists that very soon this layer will vanish and the harmful rays of the sun will reach the earth and it will burn the earth like anything. So this is what is atmosphere. In short, which I have explained you the atmosphere. See, you can see in this second picture how it is protecting. It is not allowing harmful rays, those red rays or those orange rays, to reach the atmosphere or to the earth's surface. Only the green rays, that is only the good rays which we really need. Okay, those rays are reach to the earth's surface. Like ultraviolet rays, they are not good for us. Okay, so they all are blocked by this atmosphere. Now the condition of the air of a place at a particular time is called its weather. Now, at that day, at that time, whatever the condition is there of that area, of that city, whatever it is, that is actually known as the weather. Like you all, I know you all must have everyone listens to that FM radio. Okay, now this in that FM radio they usually say आज आज का बहुत सुहाना दिन है, आज आज का वेदर ऐसा है, आज का वेदर वैसा है. So that means that day, that time, what weather is there, they all usually say about that. So weather conditions are usually, they change accordingly, according to the day, according to the time. Sometimes it is cloudy, sometimes it is partly cloudy, sometimes it is sunny, sometimes it is windy, winds are blowing, then rainy, then snowy, then stormy. So all these are weather different weather conditions, uh, and it is not same every day. So there is weather forecast every day. You must be seeing in the newspaper there is a weather forecast, right? So which tells us that how this day will be. And to be very precise, see, these are weather forecast given by human beings, right? They can change because nature is not in our hands. So how it changes and how it can change, no one knows that. So this is what is weather. Weather is the condition of that day, of that time, actually how that weather is, how it is. Maybe it is a good weather to go out, maybe it is a, I mean, beautiful weather, right? Not so hot, not so cold. So it depends on that day how the weather will be. The weather of a place changes from time to time. It may be hot, cold, sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or stormy. As I told you, it changes every day. It can change every hour also. Okay, after 2 hours, the weather can change. If now it is sunny, in the evening it can be cloudy also. Okay, now if it is cloudy now, it can be sunny after some hours. So it depends how it changes accordingly. Okay, now, the why weather is important for us to know, or why do we usually every day this weather forecast we get, or why do we follow these weather forecast, right? Weather is important in our life in many different ways. First, weather controls the distribution of rainwater on earth. First, weather, accordingly, if it is cloudy weather, maybe it can rain heavily. Okay, or any other, if it is windy, strong winds may be blowing. So all living organisms on earth require water to survive, right? So because of that, whether we get rainwater, we get sunny day, actually, or windy day. And one of the most important feature of this is, like, if we know about the weather conditions, like if we I know the weather condition today, what will be the weather condition, I can plan my day accordingly, right? If I know that today the weather will be good, there is no such windy or cloudy weather, so I can plan something which I want to do. If I have some work to do, I'll do that work. Okay, so accordingly people plan their things, because looking at the weather conditions, or reading the weather conditions with the forecast. So this is very very important. We should already know, or we should know the weather conditions, so that we know what work we should do. If it is said that today it will be a cloudy day and it will rain heavily, obviously we will not go out, or we will not do that work which we cannot do in rainy conditions, right? So this is what is very important about weather. We should always know the weather, and this actually helps to give the water on earth. Okay, so other things we will be studying about seasons, about other things we will be studying in the next video. Thank you, children.